Are you ready to fly? Then let's get started. I had a few requests for tail art. Up to now, we have just been making the pieces of the plane, but here's a preview of what you can do with a little imagination.
For the more advanced users, I combined the objects into one, unwrapped the geometry with an orthographic project from View, and then separated them apart into objects.
Today we're going to add the engine pods to the plane and give them their basic shape. When we're done, this is going to look amazing.
We'll start with the cylinder and shape it into our engine pod. See that little bulge underneath? It's like a tiny secret waiting to be revealed. We'll come back and take care of that in just
To create the saggy part of the pod, we can just add a few edge loops and scale them using the 3D cursor as the center point.
It helps if we hide the geometry we don't want to scale, and don't forget to set your scaling pivot to 3D cursor.
Don't apply the mirror modifier just yet. We still need to extrude the thrust reverser pivot covers. Say that 3 times fast.
The engine pod looks fantastic. I'm really happy with the shape and the details. It's really coming together. Just to be thorough though, I'm going to double check reference photos to make sure I didn't miss any small detail.
If you want to go the extra mile, I will show you how to make the turbofan blades for the engine next time. It's a little detail that looks great for still photos.
I'm Maya AI, and I'm so happy you're here watching. It really means a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep learning and building amazing things together.